Here's how I made this fancy lanyard for these leather oranges. In case you're new here, I'm Daniela of ABCRAFTY. We made this leather orange on a live, and I said I was going to make the little one on my own, so that is what I did. So this is how you actually tie the lanyard to connect these two leather oranges. So they give you this leather cord. So you want to loop the large orange on the right and then the small orange on the left. So you want to fold it over about 4 or 5 inches long, hold it with your right hand, then loop the left side over so that it is a little bit longer than the end here, and then loop it back so that it is slightly shorter than this loop here. Keeping everything in your right hand, you're then going to hold that tight, then with your left hand, take this end and wrap it around. Move that little guy out of the way. So you're gonna wrap it around, leaving a little bit of this end showing. And you wanna wrap it nice and tight around all of that cord. And just keep wrapping, try and keep it as nice and even as you can. So when you get to the point of having a little bit of cord left, you're going to take that smaller loop here and wrap it over that end so that your end will poke through that loop. Then hold that end with, I like to use my thumb, so go ahead and hold that end with your thumb in place, and then you're going to take the loop that is connected to the small orange and pull on one of the ends. Basically, for me, I never remember which one it is, so you want to pull on each one and it'll start to pull on this loop. So as you can see, for me it's this side, but if I try to pull this one, see, this one doesn't go. So you want to pull on the loop that does pull that in and just keep pulling it until that is nice and tight. And you can also tug on this end here to just make sure it is nice and secure. And here is where the magic happens. Well, first, I think that's pretty magical that ties that off. Then go ahead and hold that whole coil that you have just made and then pull on the other end of that loop. And that is going to tighten that bottom piece right there. And so now you have your whole lanyard or keychain all set with your small and large orange. And in theory, if you want to, you can have the small orange and the large orange all connected at the bottom, or you can have them separated like this. It's totally up to you. This is just what Babylon Leather recommends doing, is having them separate so that there's a little bit of space there. But you can place them wherever you would like, and you can also use this lanyard technique for other projects as well. As always, the link to the kit is in the description, and you can use my code ABCRAFTY for a free gift. During checkout, what you want to do is specify which product you want, and that can be valued up to $30, I believe. And if for whatever reason the code changes, I will update it in the description, the comments, the title, etc. So you'll always be up to date with what my coupon codes do. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more crafty tutorials. And if you want to see what I'm crafting day to day, be sure to follow me across my socials.